Hello friends, my name is Zona Mujisha Musaz and I'm the Director, Pastor, New Jerusalem Needy People Ministries. I would love to take this opportunity to thank you so much for the support that you have rendered to us. As you see us here with our children at the Lord's home, we are so happy, especially for the Lions Club, for the support that you have given us through Friends for Friends. That support has enabled us to go to school, to have food, to have good accommodation, to have clothing. So we would like to say that we are so happy. As you see us here, we look good. Hello? We look good. We are full. We have eaten lunch and we are not hungry anymore. So we thank you so much. And I take this opportunity together with these children to wish you a Merry Christmas.